Hi, I'm Landon.
And I'm Josh.
We're your RAs.
And welcome to Morehouse! You come to Germany, but Pepperdine stairs are still here.
Come on in. Oh, hey, Bridget.
What are you doing here?
Josh, Landon, no way you made your way to the computer lab. Morehouse is a really great computer lab. There's 6 desktops and 3 printers. It's the first room that you see when you enter the house. So there'll always be people in here doing homework. There's some couches, some chairs, a great meeting point for people whenever they want to visit. The computer lab attaches to our reception room, where as you can see we have some students hanging out. And Jonas, oh my goodness, do you want to tell me people about this room?
I would love to. You see, this is the piano room. This is the room where we have house church, where we all hang out together as one big family, and people like me and other musicians can play music. Say, I wonder, what could be behind this glass door right here? Let's take a look. Oh, it's Faye. Hi, Faye.
Hi, Jonas. This is Morehouse's wonderful library. We've got quite the collection here, fiction, nonfiction, anything you could want. We also have access to Pepperdine's online database, including journals, ebooks, and a lot more. Now I'm going to show y'all our faculty and residents.
Hi guys! This is June. I'm Ty Pownell. I'm the faculty in residence this year in Heidelberg. Come on into our place. The faculty apartment is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This is the living area. It has a nice kitchen. And we are here all the time. We live with the students and we're here, for emotional support. And we have a couple kids here and that's a lot of fun for the students. They have a lot of games of tag and we have a lot of fun. Hey, and now I'm gonna pass it off to Katie, who's gonna show you downstairs.
But first, we're gonna head over to the laundry room. So today is Tuesday, which means that it's linens day. So we have our linens people doing all of our sheets down there. Shout out to them. And then we have a lot of laundry hanging right here. And then we have 4 washers and 4 dryers, as well as a variety of towels and blankets and such over here. Now you can follow me downstairs to our dining room and kitchen area. This is our student center, also known as kind of our dining hall area. So we have a bunch of tables in here. People come in here and do homework and just hang out, eat their meals and everything. And then we also have some couches, a giant TV with some films. I think there's a Wii over there or something exciting like that as well. And we also have some board games over there in the corner. And then following this way, we're gonna go into the kitchen. This is our kitchen, and we have a lot of drawers and cabinets filled with many, many, many dishes. And after you finish using those dishes, you can put them right here, and our kitchen crew will clean them for you. They are wonderful and they work very, very hard to keep everything clean and tidy. We also have a stovetop over here, microwave, all the kitchen basics. And then in the corner, my personal favorite thing about the kitchen is our very, very nice coffee machine. So in the morning or in the evening or whenever you need your fix, you can just come right down to the kitchen and it's totally free. You can make whatever hot drink you'd like. You can do tea, coffee, hot chocolate, whatever you're feeling. And it's all right here in our kitchen. Now I'm passing it off to Liv, who's gonna go upstairs and show you guys the girls' floor.
All right, follow me. Now we're going up the stairs from the main floor to go up to the girls' hallway. Now this is the girls' floor, which has over 10 rooms that house between 2 to 7 girls per room. Through this hallway is now the bathroom, which has many, many showers and toilets for everyone. Now I'm gonna be passing it off to Henry, who's gonna show you the boys' floor.
All right, yeah, just up here, the guys are at the very top of the house.
So here we are on the guys' floor. It's mostly like 4 guys to a room. A couple of them are 2 guys to a room. Similar bathroom situation. But out here, we also have a little terrace area that you can go to. There's a nice view from here. Get a little table, you can study or eat dinner out here sometimes, and yeah. Now to conclude our tour, I'll show you up to the attic, aka the VIP lounge. Our RA is always patrolling. go up these stairs. So up here, a lot of people like to use the space to study. There's a TV here. We have like a Nintendo here. There's another side as well. And we also have a lot of people put their suitcases back here after moving. So it's good storage as well. I hope you enjoyed our tour of Morehouse, and hope you picked Germany, or if you've already picked it, you made the right choice.